The Wisconsin Dells is famous for its water park, billing itself as the water park capital of the world. Of course, the place is packed during the summer months, and as summer turns to fall, the crowds start to disappear. But that doesn't mean the Wisconsin Dells isn't a fun place to visit in the fall as well. They also have indoor water parks, as the weather gets cooler, are fun to experience, along with some very scenic tours. We took a trip to the Wisconsin Dells while we were heading down to Tennessee this fall, and we actually took a tour on the Dells boat tours. I'm going to read from their website on this. Take our complete scenic tour along with the Wisconsin River and see its peaceful natural beauty that has brought visitors here for over 100 years. On our 2-hour Upper Dells tour, you will enjoy 2 scenic shore landings, relax aboard our 1-hour Lower Dells tour, and see legendary sights. Get your heart racing on our Dells jet boat adventure, a 30-minute thrill ride on the Lower Dells, sunset cruises after relaxed evenings, touring the river with dinner and live music. While we were there, it was the month of October. They also had a Halloween-themed boat ride as well. We opted for the classic experience. Some 150 years ago, visitors first came to Wisconsin Dells for rowboat tours on the Wisconsin River. From there, the tours evolved to steam paddlers, then the double-decker steel vessels of Dells boat tours. This fleet of 21 boats carries thousands of visitors to see what is arguably the most classic of the area's classic attractions, the Dells rock formations that tower above the river. At the Stand Rock Shore Landing, the photo that made the Dells famous, a photographer H. Bennett's son caught mid-air leaping from one rock bluff to another, is now recreated by a trusty dog. There is a second shore landing at Witch's Gulch. This tour company has exclusive rights to these historic landings along with the Upper and Lower Dells. Natalie and I found the tour to be both relaxing, educational, and beautiful. The river area of the Dells is one of those places that is unique in its own right, and you can't really see anywhere else. So if you happen to be traveling through Wisconsin and find yourself anywhere near the Dells, we recommend, even if you're not a water park person, to check out the Dells boat tours. If you like this video and would like to see more, please click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell button next to that so you get informed when we upload new content. If you're interested in more RVing information other than just our YouTube channel, check out our website at henleyshappytrails.com or check us out on Facebook. Thank you and happy trails.